Hey guys, this is Rohi and welcome back to my channel Mrshome for a complete home. Today I would like to share with you an eggless chocolate mocha cake recipe without oven. I prepared this cake on the occasion of my elder son's friend's birthday. They really loved the taste and I am very happy for it. Let's get into the action. Here I have taken a big kadai and a regular salt. This is a salt which I have used in my previous recipe, so that's why it's looking like light brown in color. You can reuse this salt. Now place a cooker plate or any steel rack. Close the lid and preheat this for 10 minutes in a medium flame. To prepare the chocolate cake, here I have taken half cup of maida, all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, half cup of powdered sugar, half tsp salt, half tsp baking powder, and here I have also added 1 tablespoon of coffee powder. Sorry, I forgot to record that, and 1/4 tsp baking powder. Sieve all the ingredients. To these dry ingredients, I am going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, 1/4 cup of cooking oil, and half cup of milk. Now beat this batter for 2 minutes. Our batter is ready and I am going to take a square mold which I have greased with a little bit oil on all the sides. Now pour the cake batter in it. Tap this to remove the air bubbles. Place this cake mold in a preheated kadai and bake this for 30 to 35 minutes in a medium flame. After 35 minutes, insert the toothpick and check whether it is done or not. Remove from the stove and let it cool down completely. You can see here our cake has come out with a very soft, moist and with a flat top. Next we'll start the preparation of chocolate ganache. For this I have taken some water to boil in a vessel and I have placed a glass bowl of some dark chocolate and I have added 1/4 cup of fresh cream. Here I have taken Amul cream and I am going to melt this together. Now you can see the chocolate is melted completely. Switch off the flame and let it cool down. I have taken 2 tablespoons of ganache to prepare liquid ganache and the rest I will keep it in freeze for 10 minutes. To this I am adding 1 tablespoon of oil and 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Mix well until it is well combined. Its consistency should be like this and it is very shiny. Keep it aside until it is needed. In another bowl I have taken hot water and 1 tablespoon of coffee powder and 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Mix well. And the next step is to whip the cream. For this I have kept bowl and whisk in a freezer for 15 minutes. Here I have used Tropolite whipping cream. Add 1½ cup of whipping cream to the bowl. Whip this for 5 to 7 minutes or until you get stiff peaks. If you invert this spatula with the cream, it doesn't fall. Now it's time to decorate the cake. Run the knife on all edges of the cake. You can see the cake is very soft and moist. You can see how soft it is. Now cut this cake into half. As it is very soft, make sure you cut very slowly in the center. On a cake board, apply very little cream and place the cake on it. Now I am going to wet this with a coffee and sugar liquid. Top with some whipping cream. Spread this on the cake. Add some chocolate chips or chocolate granite on the top of the cake. Now place the other layer and again with the same process wet the cake with the coffee and sugar syrup. And apply the whipping cream and spread on all the sides of the cake. Clean the cake board with the help of a tissue. Drizzle the sides of the cake with the liquid chocolate granite. In a piping bag, I have taken a star nozzle and filled with chocolate granite. Now pipe this on the cake. The same star nozzle I have used to pipe the borders. Sprinkle some silver balls on it. I have used some dairy milk shots to top the cake. Friends, if you are new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Please do subscribe for more videos and do press the bell icon for notifications of my videos. And please do try this recipe, and any suggestions or comments please post in my comment section below. I have added some more chocolate on top of the shots. If you like this recipe, please give a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Until then, have a great day. Bye bye.